The following is a selected video from VideoMathTeacher.com, where you can explore over 10,000 videos, print out practice worksheets, find proofs and discussions on many math topics, and explore related videos. Try VideoMathTeacher.com today. Let's use the definition of the derivative to find f prime of x for the given function. We're given f of x equals 3x squared minus 10x plus 7. To find the derivative of this function using the definition of the derivative, we'll refer to the information on the right. The derivative of a function f of x is f prime of x equals the limit as delta x approaches 0 of f of x plus delta x minus f of x all over delta x. So using our definition, we'll write down f prime of x equals the limit as delta x approaches 0 of. For f of x plus delta x, we'll plug in the x plus delta x everywhere we see an x in our function. So we'll plug it into the x squared as well as into the x. This becomes 3 times the quantity of x plus delta x squared minus 10 times x plus delta x plus 7. This is f of x plus delta x. From our definition, we'll subtract f of x. This means that we'll subtract the quantity of our original function, 3x squared minus 10x plus 7. This entire expression is all over a delta x. Next, let's completely simplify our expression, then find the limit as delta x approaches 0. So we'll write down f prime of x equals, writing our limit since we have not evaluated it yet, limit as delta x approaches 0 of. To simplify our expression, we will use order of operations by first finding x plus delta x squared. To our right, x plus delta x squared means x plus delta x times another x plus delta x. Using FOIL, x times x becomes x squared, plus our outside term will be x times delta x, and our inside term will be delta x times x, which is still x delta x. And our last term will become delta x squared. This simplifies to x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. So we'll write down in our problem that this is 3 times that expansion. This becomes x squared plus 2 times x delta x plus delta x squared. We'll distribute the minus 10 to the x and the delta x to become minus 10x minus 10 delta x plus 7. Next, since we're subtracting the function 3x squared minus 10x plus 7, we'll distribute the minus sign to eliminate these parentheses. So we'll distribute to become minus 3x squared plus 10x minus 7. This entire expression, again, is all over delta x. As another stage, we'll next distribute the 3 to our first 3 terms. So writing our problem again, we have f prime of x equals the limit as delta x approaches 0. Distributing the 3, we'd get 3x squared plus 6x delta x plus delta x squared. Writing all our other terms out, we'll write minus 10x minus 10 delta x plus 7 minus 3x squared plus 10x minus 7. This entire expression is still all over delta x. We now see that terms will cancel. For example, 3x squared minus 3x squared will cancel. Minus 10x will cancel with plus 10x, and the 7 will cancel with minus 7. We're left with that the derivative, f prime of x, is equal to the limit as delta x approaches 0 of 6x delta x plus delta x squared minus 10 delta x all over delta x. Next, we see that we have a common factor of delta x that we can factor out, which will cancel with the denominator. So our derivative now becomes f prime of x equals the limit as delta x approaches 0. Factoring out a delta x, we're left with delta x times 6x plus delta x times another delta x would become delta x squared, minus delta x times 10 would be our last term, all divided by delta x. The delta x's cancel, and we're now left with the expression that f prime of x is equal to the limit as delta x approaches 0 of 6x plus delta x minus 10. Since we've now eliminated the denominator, we can now evaluate our limit by plugging in 0 in for every delta x. So this will become our derivative, f prime of x. Evaluating our limit, we don't have to write the limit anymore. Plugging in 0, we get 6x plus 0 minus 10, which simplifies to f prime of x becoming 6x minus 10. So the derivative of our original function, which was f of x equals 3x squared minus 10x plus 7, becomes the derivative f prime of x is equal to 6x minus 10.